Hello guys, today I am back. Uh, Now this is my new YouTube channel. The name of this is Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to set a fingerprint lock to any of your device. I'm using Xiaomi 5.5 for this. You just need to download an application which is named as ICN Lock, and I am just clicking on it. You could find this application on Play Store. Uh, so when this window opens, you just need to check this option. Let's go. Now enroll fingerprint, then continue. Then this would ask you for a simple pin. I am just setting a simple pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. Now to confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this is a tutorial. You don't need to see it because I am going to teach you. Okay. Continue to enroll. Now you have to select any finger. I am selecting right hand's first finger for the fingerprint. So let's go. Now it would ask you for 7 captures of your finger. After taking 7 captures, it's very easy and very quick. Now it would be taking 7 captures of your fingers. One has been already taken, and this would be like 7 captures. And after these 7 captures, you are done with all. Your fingerprint is being set. Okay, we would have the rule for the captures is that is also shown in the box below, that your finger should be perfectly fitted in the box. Yeah, this is very true. If your finger would not be fit in that box, it may not recognize your finger. So it is necessary that your finger is being in that box. 6 captures taken, last capture, and done. And now your match has been confirmed. Use this fingerprint and you are done with all of the things. Now this option will OK, set as default, IC launcher always. This option will automatically occurs, and you are done with all of your that. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.